In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a sheet in Google Sheets. Duplicating sheets is a handy feature that allows you to quickly copy over formatting, data, and functions from one sheet to another within the same document. Whether you're preparing multiple versions of the same report, creating backups, or setting up a template for reuse, this feature can save you time and effort. Let's begin by opening a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets either through your web browser or by accessing it directly from your Google Drive. Once you have your Google Sheet open, you'll see that the file might contain multiple sheets, each represented by a tab at the bottom of the screen. Identify the sheet you would like to duplicate. It's important to note that all data, formatting, and any formulas present in the original will be preserved in the duplicated sheet. Next, draw your attention to the sheet tabs at the bottom, where you'll see the name of each sheet. To proceed, simply locate the tab of the sheet you wish to duplicate. Next to the sheet name, you'll find a small downward arrow, which is often called the More Options button. Click on this arrow. Doing so will display a drop-down menu presenting several options related to the management of your sheet. The action you need is straightforward. Find and click on the option labeled Duplicate. Once selected, Google Sheets will instantly create a copy of the original sheet, and it will appear as a new tab alongside the others. The default name for the duplicated sheet will typically be the original name followed by the word copy. Feel free to rename this duplicated sheet for better organization by double-clicking on its tab and entering your desired title. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently create duplicates of your sheets in Google Sheets. It's a great way to organize your data, make comparisons, or create complex spreadsheets by building off an existing foundation. This tool is especially useful if you need to quickly replicate structures and do not want to start from scratch each time. Having this knowledge can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow in Google Sheets. With that, you're now ready to make the most of this powerful feature. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like this video if it helped you, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on new tips for Google Sheets and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet duplicating.